Yeah, in reference to that Honda, the engine swap. The engine came to me on a skid. It was rather straightforward. Nothing presented itself as messed up. Uh, Pulled the blowed engine, put the moved over whatever I had to move over, dropped it in, connected it up, changed the oil and filter. Let's see, antifreeze all the fluids, of course. And when everything looked like it was right, I went ahead and started it and took a few minutes once the fuel lines primed up, injectors primed up, and got going. There was no excessive knocking or rattling or any of that. Nothing out of the ordinary. Um, Hondas always have a little bit of tapping in the top of them usually. There's solid lifters in most of them. I think in that one, but most of them. I had it running maybe 30 minutes in my shop where it got up to temperature, and I checked over everything for leaks. There was no evidence of any oil leaks, water leaks, fuel leaks, power steering, transmission coolant, none of that. Nothing hit the ground underneath it. I got this big ass mirror came out of a projection screen TV that I keep on the wall out there. I can slide that underneath the vehicle, and I can literally just watch everything underneath it, see if anything's getting wet. It's very handy. Uh, Once everything seemed fine, I shut it down, rechecked fluids. It's all good. I pulled it out of my shop, drove it about 100 feet, and parked it out front, and let the customer know it was done. He came, picked it up. Uh, he drove it, he tells me, about 7 miles, and the engine has appeared to have locked up. Now, the description he gave me, it sounded like it could possibly be an electric issue. Maybe the ground's roasted or whatever. I don't know. Wrecker brought it back and tried it, got the battery charged up, nothing, it wouldn't turn over. On the two ground cables, the plastic that normally coats those heavy wires, they're a little bigger than 10 gauge wire. Um, that most of that broke off of them. That could be from overheating, that could be time, whatever. So I just bypassed that, put jumper cables on the negative terminal and straight on the block and tried it, and nothing. Jacked it up and took the shroud off to where I could get up at the starter, that little plate underneath the intake manifold, pull that loose to check the cables. And the main cable going to the starter was getting good continuity. When I put a screwdriver up to it, it's blowing a pretty sizable arc, so should be more than enough to turn that little motor. Uh, I made the assumption that the starter was fucked. Just the idea that when the engine went out the first time, since that's the same starter that was on the blowed engine, maybe somebody was on it a lot, cranking on it to get it, trying to start it when it was fucked. But